Regular Retro Recipes viewers will know that the Atari 400 was the first computer I ever personally owned, and it's very special to me for that reason. And we've dived into loads of 400 content in the past here, including a graphics upgrade, full case respray, and more. So you'll understand why I'm extremely excited at today's unveiling. Now, we've all experienced shrinkage, of course, but guess what's shrinking but still packs a punch? Yep, the 400 Mini. It looks like the Atari 400 went through the dryer and came out cooler. Weird. But it's got all your classic games in that beautiful UFO-shaped case, of course, but also the magic of modernity, not to be confused with maternity, with USB ports to load up more oldies for various different Atari models, not just the 400. And it's got HDMI output and all that good stuff, of course. So those pixels that you loved will be crisper than a fresh batch of fish and chips, I suppose. And drum roll, please, we've got the first look at this pint-sized powerhouse. Yeah, Retro Games Limited have kindly given us the golden ticket to take the 400 Mini for a spin first. So make sure you're subscribed or support for early access to that, because when I dive into this review, we're going to explore every nook and cranny, and we'll find out if good things really do come in small packages. But enough about my package. Are you excited for the 400 Mini? Comment below, and cheerio.
Retro Recipes.